Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to send photos to your friends on WhatsApp. So it's super simple. Let's get right into WhatsApp. And now the chat box will be popping up, right? We're in chats right now, as you can see at the bottom right corner. So we're going to choose a friend that we want to send a photo to. Let's say I want to send a photo to my friend Noah, so I click on Noah. And now, very simply, at the bottom left corner, you'll see a plus sign. We're going to press on that and then press on Photos. So now all of these photos will pop up and I get to choose which photos I want to send to him. So let's say I want to send him this one. I can add a caption to it. So I'm going to write, "This is in California." And I can click send. And now I've sent my friend a photo on WhatsApp. And that's super simple. You guys can try it out yourselves. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.